Onyeze Jesus, in this video you said Nidra Agwogwojo. That is what you said. And that suddenly you repented in 2024, around June. That was when you repented out of these things you say you do. Onyeze Jesus, you repented at the same time when you say God ministered to you, and the Ordinala was also ministering to you at the same time. Onyeze Jesus, right? Onyeze Jesus, is it the same God that gave you the pool of Bethesda you said you're using right now? This pool of Bethesda, what are the attendants there? Saint Innocent, you're welcome. Onyeze Jesus, if I may ask you, did you come out on the internet since you said you repented around June? Did you come out on the internet to apologize to those ladies you are busy showing their nude pictures on the internet? With Bible on the other hand. I think that video will be in Shuam in the morning. So all of a sudden you repented because Soludo is now in the picture. That was when you repented. Don't quote me wrong. Aqua should be thoroughly investigated. If the network disturbs me, tomorrow morning I will come back here. You will still see me here in the morning. No? If you like, report to video. Now you go tire. I must come back here. I know they give up. I they tell you. I know they give up. Oh. I know they give up. Onyeze Jesus, when you said, wait, guys, for those of you who just joined me now, before I play all that video, so look at what you are encouraging. Okay. Now, in this very video,
so why people are now bringing that old videos? Let me tell you, I'm not afraid of anything. Government, they are free to arrest me. They are free to hold me responsible. That is me. Imam Makani government in here. So Obuni in a Baba Makana Borona Yuku. Iya to go to Chineke, I can na Yuku Afadiocha. Iya to go to Chineke. To go to Omega, some by Gobonaka Kurocha. Gorobonaka Idiocha. After me figure a Bakwa. Owagama is Yuku this year. Most people are make them on Facebook, now blackmailing, now fighting to bring me down. Most of them now bring it that my old video. So now do Mudibi and Abubo to damage my image. Instead of you eating a baby game, what am I saying? Instead of hearing a Bible, I join my case at the end of this case, at the end of everything. Let the truth to prevail. My old video. Somebody.
Well, let me block him. You don't responding to him that this page is his page is even waste of time. Let me block him. That's how I treat mad people here. Now, let's listen to this video again.
Do you think in a government you don't have government?
Hold on.
Yes, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where you're watching me from. God bless all of you. I will confess that so many people
No, who did I block actually?
bitter because of the truth. So many people
Like I blocked the wrong
bitter
person.
because of the truth. And most people don't
Anyway, Onyeze Jesus, did you apologize to these ladies who go see their new pictures on the internet in the name of Nana Rohan Rumri? Did you apologize to them? Did you in any way apologize to them since you say you have repented? Since you see na Ichigarigo, Onyeze Jesus, I'm not speaking for Akwa. Remember, I maintain my words. Akwa should be checkmated. Akwa should be checked thoroughly alongside with Onyeze Jesus. Onyeze Jesus should be also checkmated. The government should take their time, check the activities of this man. Before Onyeze Jesus took these steps, he first came to internet, pulling down some of his videos, thinking we don't have them. Sorry. Hello? Oh yeah? Don't worry. So, Onyeze Jesus, I maintain the stand. Kaimani he in the shiri boys. Obo anguru ki ne shiri ha. Obo deshi ki ne shiri ha. Obo ogu ki ne shiri ha, so that they could do Yahoo. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. I think I have something I need to show you guys here, so that some of us will take things very, very serious when we see them happening. Hold on. There is need for me to check this properly. Hold on. Just give me a few minutes here. Hold on, please. There's this video I want you to watch. Anyway, let me explain this video to you. Here and the city men's shirigi. But this kind of video, I believe many of you must have come across this video on the social media. Do you know what happened? This guy went out and brought a girl. Popped the girl no law. Oh yeah, me home with this girl. Come we can this girl. Come we can this girl. On the born a the girl will tip pumpo. All of a sudden, they turn the girl on. The girl was shaking. So neighbors now broke into the room. The guy had a white walking tortoise.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Stay connected on this channel. I will be dropping you updates on this channel. Stay connected. Thank you for watching.